agents, we have an opportunity for you that actually is very important this time of year. It's called business planning. We're going to have a business planning class you will want to attend, because what you start doing now till the end of the year will make the difference in how the new year starts. And we've got a lot of topics to cover and things to help you with during business planning, but we'll help you put that plan in place for the remainder of this year and also help you structure coming out of the gate next year. It's going to be September 18th here at 5711 Northwest Parkway in our training room from 1 to 2:30. We look forward to having you. The Eventbrite is below. You can click up sign and come. I encourage you to do it. If you're not a business planner, you might want to start. I will tell you it makes a difference on what you get done and staying on track. So again, join us for business planning. It's an hour and a half well invested in your life. September 18th from 1 to 2:30. I'm Missy Stagers, broker owner of MStagersRealtyPartners, and we might have a thing or two for you to learn.